Imagine a world where a talking animal can deliver a motivational speech, or a beloved celebrity can have a conversation with a lifelike husky. This is no longer the realm of science fiction, but a reality made possible by the emergence of AI-powered human plus animal hybrid videos. The digital landscape is more crowded than ever, with millions of videos competing for our attention every day. But what makes a video truly stand out and stop the scroll in 2025? The answer lies in the power of AI-driven hybrid content, which combines the best of human and animal characteristics to create ultra-realistic, short-form videos that are both captivating and memorable. But here's where it gets interesting. Creating this caliber of content is no longer exclusive to Hollywood studios with million-dollar budgets. A new tool, hybrid AI, is democratizing access to this powerful content format, allowing anyone to create professional-grade hybrid videos in just 3 clicks. But what exactly is hybrid AI, and how does it work? At its core, hybrid AI is a sophisticated desktop application that leverages the combined power of multiple world-class artificial intelligence engines to generate hyper-realistic hybrid videos. The process is designed for simplicity. Access the cloud-based dashboard, input a keyword, upload an image, and select your style. The AI then works its magic, producing a cinematic, share-ready video in about 60 seconds. There's no filming, no editing, and no need for actors or expensive equipment. It's video creation, simplified and supercharged. But why are hybrid videos dominating social algorithms? The answer lies in their unmatched curiosity factor, high emotional resonance, and universal appeal. These videos tap into our natural curiosity, evoke strong emotions, and transcend language barriers, making them a potent recipe for virality. And this is the part most people miss. The real value of a tool like hybrid AI lies in its practical business and creative applications. For marketers and agencies, it's a game changer for creating scroll-stopping ads and social media content that outperforms traditional formats. For content creators and influencers, it's a rapid way to fill their content calendar with trending, engaging videos that grow their audience and boost their channel's authority. For small business owners, it's a cost-effective way to produce captivating product promos, announcements, and branded content without the need for a video production crew. But here's the question. Are you ready to harness the power of AI-generated hybrid content to take your content strategy to the next level? As with any powerful AI tool, responsible and effective use is key. The pros are clear: speed, efficiency, cost-effectiveness, ease of use, and creative freedom. However, there are also points to consider, such as authenticity, quality of input, and ethical use. So what's the verdict? Is hybrid AI the next step in your content strategy? The emergence of tools like hybrid AI signals a significant shift in the content landscape. The barrier to creating high-engagement, visually stunning video content is crumbling. And for content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to break through the noise, understanding and leveraging these trends is becoming essential. But don't just take our word for it. Explore the world of hybrid AI. Watch demo videos, and see real examples of what this technology can do. And then ask yourself, are you ready to join the hybrid video revolution? Frequently asked questions, FAQs, provide more insights into the tool, its licensing, and its capabilities. So, what are you waiting for? Download your hybrid video guide and discover the future of viral content.